When spraying HVLP, there are 5 basic variables that you need to address to get good results. You're going to find that these 5 basic variables all relate back to understanding the product that you're spraying and how it works with your machine. Let's address those 5 variables. The first is your fluid and air control, the amount of fluid you put in your air control to make this atomized. That's the first issue. The second is going to be your distance off the surface that you're spraying. On average, it's 4 to 8 inches, but that may change based on the width or the size of the surface that you're spraying onto. The third is the speed or the pace at which you move. Remember, high volume, low pressure doesn't mean go fast, it means slow way down. You are finely atomizing this paint and laying it down in a very slow, smooth, even coat. The fourth is your air cap orientation. You want to remember that when your tabs, or we refer to them as horns, are horizontal, your spray is coming out in a vertical line. It's turned vertically, your spray is oriented horizontal, and on this gun, you have a diagonal feature which actually gives you a round stream of paint. Really handy for doing spindles and legs on tables, things like that. And then the last part is your fan width. And your fan width is going to vary greatly on what needle and nozzle size you've chosen for the material that you're spraying. Some manufacturers have now integrated a cap where you can actually adjust your fan width right at the end of the gun. As you can see, as you go to the left, it gets wider, come back to the right, it gets narrower. For what we were spraying today, we were using the Sherwin-Williams Wood Classics waterborne polyurethane. For that product, you would choose between a 2 and a 3 tip, and you're going to want to make sure that you have really good control of the airflow. Now, later we sprayed a latex waterborne primer, kind of a heavy-bodied primer. For that, I would choose between a 4 and a 5 tip and make sure that I didn't overdo it with my air. My recommendation is pick your fluid set based on your reference guide and practice on the air side of it until you get it dialed to the way you want your results to look.